It's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm sharing is an unboxing video. I have been wanting this style of handbag for quite some time, and my husband surprised me with an early birthday present, so I'm going to share it with you guys. Here is the box. It's from Gucci. I have a couple of pieces recently, like the belt, the tennies. I got a new bag. I can link that video below for you. But this is brand new, and there's a purpose behind this bag. Look how beautiful the ribbon is. Like, I love this ribbon. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. And this is what the box looks like inside. And it comes with this really pretty white, like, I don't know what they're called, like protection bags. And it has the Gucci logo right here. And they do put the receipt in like a little envelope for you. If you ever want to sell it or anything, you have like the authenticity that you purchased it like from a Gucci store and it's real. I normally don't sell my bags. I've sold like 2 bags though, maybe, yeah. Okay, so here it is. I'm super excited. I love it so much. It is this backpack. So the reason I wanted a backpack is my husband and I do a bunch of traveling, and I feel like my crossbody bags are too small. So I love to carry backpacks, and I've had some from Zara that I've, worn in the past, but I've been wanting to get like a luxury backpack for a while. So my husband bought me this one, and I love the design of it. It's the perfect size for traveling. It's gonna fit everything that I need inside, and I love like the color detail on it. So it has the Gucci logo. I love this like black leather. So it's not all brown. I can definitely incorporate black in it. Not that you can't wear brown and black, because you can, but I just love that it has both the brown and the black. And the star of the show is the bees. These gold bees are so gorgeous, and I love gold. Everything gold. I have the matching sneakers, so I think it would look really cute together. It has this like, it has a little compartment right in front, so I could put my phone in here and like stuff that I really need quickly. I don't know if I would put like my wallet in here. I don't know. I'm always paranoid when I'm traveling that like someone's gonna like reach in my backpack. So I don't know if I'd put like my wallet. I don't know. I'm just babbling, but definitely a roomy compartment right there for whatever you may need. I just pulled my hair. And then it has these zippers here, dual zippers, and it has a lot of space inside, which I like, because when I'm traveling, I like to have like everything that I think I might need. This is what the inside looks like. Super roomy. And then it also has like a pocket in here, which is kind of deep, so it goes all the way in. My hand can go all the way inside. So if you see this pocket, like this is probably where I would put more important stuff like my passport, money, stuff like that. I will use this so much when we go on trips. I actually told my husband that I want to wear it like for the next couple of weeks, because I think it's so cute, and I'm ready to like break it in. Even though I'm not going on a trip, I kind of want to wear it, but look how cute it is. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.